Hey, what's up guys, this is me your friend DRS, you all are watching Keras and DRS, and today I got another unboxing for you, which is kind of a different. We got a box packaging over here. This huge bulky size box has a one ring light. It's from a company Digitech, so that's the front view, and let's quickly unbox it and see what we got inside. Is it good for you, and should you buy one for yourself? Let's get started. What the box packaging of the Digitech LED ring light looks like. The model number is DRL12C. You got a black and a yellowish tone going on this box. You got the ring light logo on this side, and there are some quick specifications. We got the 25-watt powered output, dual color temperature and illumination. So this is what the front side of the Digitech LED ring light looks like. This is what the next side of the Digitech LED rings look like. You got the Round Table India, they support them. You got is the ring light, and it is a 12-inch model. As you can see, 12 written over here. This is what the back side of the Digitech LED ring light look like. You got some quick specifications and features, height, stand and everything going on over here. There is a MRP written over here, which is near to 3000 INR rupees, but we're gonna talk about them in a later part of this video. We got some what's included in the box, which is really good, and some social media handlers of the company. So let's just quickly unbox this guy. So this is the opening of this box. By opening the first time, you got this plastic hooking up on the top. Just check it out, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of a tripod going on over here. I'll check about them in a second. So the next thing is this small box going on inside this big box. So there is nothing else inside the box. Let's keep it aside. So this is a complete plain cardboard box going on over here. On this side, on the top, you got another flip opening mechanism. This is a kind of a hard cardboard. So another plastic bag, okay. So that's the ring light. Going on with the specifications, something. So inside this packaging we got some unuseful things. We're gonna keep it aside right now. Instruction manual, which is a must read. You got some information going on over here. Make sure you read it. And the ring light itself. The ring light has a USB hub which we have to connect it, and some quick toggles. We're gonna check them also in this video also. So this is how the ring light itself looks like. Got one adjustable mount over here which can be adjusted like this, and this is completely rotatable neck, and this also goes 360 like this, which is really good. And complete build is plastic, and over here you got one attachment which you can access to your microphone and put it over here, or any type of light over here. So this is the ring light looks like. At the bottom you got is the connectivity part, which needs to be connected on the tripod given inside the box. This is adjustable over here. This can be taken off completely, and it can be tightened off completely also. This is one more mount, and by this you can rotate it like this, and it is kind of hard, I can say, which is really good, and by the time it will be smoother. So anyways, this is the controls now. It is a really long wire, so I hadn't opened this up right now. So this is what the controls look like. On off button, plus minus, and this is a mode changer. We're gonna see one of those right now only. So let me just plug into one of the outsource we got over here. After plug it in, you might have see a blink going on over here. So before we gonna turn it on, my camera is gonna be doing a lot of adjustment over here, so you might have gonna be having some troubles also. So make sure your brightness is at low, and let me just turn it on. So this is at completely full brightness, gonna lower it one by one. And I kinda said no one gonna be using this much brightness, but anyways, now just let me just switch the mode, and this is what the yellowish type of color looks like. If it is goes completely on the top, then it's completely high vibe. Is it a high temperature kind of say? And this is a cool light. Might say this is one of the most used one. Gonna check everything in a second. And this is the normal, the warm light, which is kind of a warm and a whitish light. So this is what the ring light look like. Also, I forgot to mention, you got the Digitech branding over here. So that was the light itself, and this neck is completely nice, I gotta say. That was the ring light itself. Now keeping it aside, we got is the stand, or you can say a tripod on the top. Let's start off from that. You got this around. Many of the camera guy knows what is this, and it actually has a really nice durability. It's completely, I gotta say, a metalish and nice, and many camera has the support, and this can be used also as if you got a mobile stand on it. So that's a nice thing. Over here you got a clip which actually is really hard, I gotta say, and this actually rotated, and guys, really nice, I gotta say. You got some labels and some high-tech vibe. And over here you got some clamps which actually opens the and extend this guy. Let me just show you the one of it, and this is what it looks like. There are actually 4 clamps, and can I say it is really high as per my opinions. So anyways, this is the thing which actually helps this guy to grip it on the floor. Over here you got a lock which needs to be untied, and this is a completely metal stand. And over here you also get a Digitech branding. Let me just show it to you. This is what it looks like, and that's all. You got the 3 legs going on over here, and that was the quick overview of this guy, or you can say a tripod. So before I do anything, don't judge me of what I'm sitting right now, and I just wanted to show you how this is gonna be leaning up to you right now. So this is completely fold. You wanna just unroll it from this guy, and don't go it completely downwards. It would be harmful, and it won't be steady, and anything gonna be happen. Just keep it on the floor, lock it up in this place. Clamp 1, clamp 2, clamp 3, and clamp 4. All are made open. So now just take it up to you, and might say it won't be coming into your frame too, but it is too much bigger. See, I can actually lean it to you right now. Anyways, so oops. By going up to the top, just lock these clamps, and one by one it's gonna be. These clamps are too much hard to lock in and lock it. Boom, you got your ready. This got some metal vibes going on over here, so might say much durable, and it is much high. Yeah, it is much high, and if I gonna be standing up, I won't be coming in your frame, but it is good. I don't know how you gonna be seeing this video, but it is bigger. See, it's much bigger than I was expecting. Around 5 feet it is, and it is nice. Cool, like it for that. So if the lights are completely dim, this blue, or you can say the light color, actually looks nice. I might be blackish right now. Anyways, so this is the light color. Let me just change the mode. Oh, the warm color. I can say this is one of the vibe of so many people, I don't know. And yeah, this is the warm color. This is the light color. Might be this is the full, yeah, this is up to the highest peak. And if we go to dim, make it much dimmer, then it is not good. Just make it more. Yeah, I can say I'm playing with these buttons a lot right now. But anyways, it looks nice. it might be a useful for the people who are working from home also, because the lights, I can say the tube lights, LED lights do a lot of adjustment when you are moving and moving your hair around. So this might be a good option. There are some cheaper options also, but I can say 12 inches might be a good one for you. And it is also good for the people who do a creative work, such as taking photographs and doing TikToky things and reels, IGTV, anything, or just post it on the social media. So it might be useful for those. It's up to you what you're gonna be buying. Also useful for photographies and stuff too. So it's up to you. Anyways, the light color is nice, and I can say you might be seeing my hand right now. Okay, that's all. So this is the ring light itself, attached to the tripod, which came inside the box obviously, and I hadn't opened completely because it is too long, and yeah, it is too much brighter also. What if I just do this? Yeah, camera adjustment. See, so this is the warm light, cool white, and you can say it cool light also, and the white light, the normal one. So it is nice. It wasn't that much applicable as I was thinking, and this clamp is too much hard at the moment, I can just say that. And one thing I forgot to mention, I can just say, this is nice neck, if I mentioned that, and it looks nice. And this clip, one thing I want to show you, got some cushions also, which is good. And yeah, it is too much harder, but it goes too much way longer. So kind of say every phone is compatible with this guy, and the light is warmer, Digitech branding and everything. This was the Digitech LED ring light, the 12-inch model. It is nice, I gotta say awesome, and the pricing is really nice. I got it around 1,000 INR rupees, and the links are in the description. Make sure to check those out. I bought it from the Amazon. If you buy another Best Buy link, then it's up to you, but you can check it out, the Best Buy link in the description. So this was the ring light itself. Liking, sharing, and subscribing, make it yellowish, or you can say the gray color, and I'm gonna be appreciating our. By the way, this is me, your friend Captain Jairus, signing off. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected with the tech industry. Yeah, the blue color, which means peace out. Anyways, peace out.